In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix apps disappearing after the new iOS 26 update. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do if your apps are disappearing is actually open up your settings and scroll down on your settings, and you're going to see an option for screen time. Go ahead and select it to open up a page that looks like this, and what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down and you're going to see an option that says content and privacy restrictions. Open that up. Now, if this is turned on for you, what you're going to want to go ahead and do, and I'll turn it on real quick to show you, is actually select App Store, Media, and Web Games, and from here, just adjust your age rating. I recommend keeping web content as unrestricted, everything else as explicit or 18 plus, to bring back all of your apps. Now, if your apps are still missing, go ahead and back out of this section, and what you're going to want to do is go back to settings and then scroll up, and this time go into your general settings, and from here scroll down to the very bottom and select transfer or reset iPhone, and then select reset. Select reset all settings within here, and don't worry, this is not going to delete your photos, videos, or apps. It's just going to reset your settings to default. But yeah, that's how you can go ahead and fix it if your apps are missing here after updating to iOS 26. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.